Hello students, today I will continue the exercise 9.5 from question number 4. See the second part, simplify 2x plus 5 whole square minus 2x minus 5 whole square. Here first we will think that which identity we can use to simplify this question. So we will see that here we can use a square minus b square. Okay. So a square minus b square is equals to a plus b into a minus b. Now we will think that what is a in this question and what is b. So it is clear from the question 2x plus 5 is a and 2x minus 5 is b. Now here we will use the identity a square minus b square. Now question is in form of a square minus b square. Now value of a and b we will put on right hand side of the used identity. Here we will write a. In place of a we will write 2x plus 5 plus we will write for b we will write 2x minus 5 and a is 2x plus 5. So here we will write 2x plus 5, then minus sign. After minus sign b is 2x minus 5. So we will write here 2x minus 5 in bracket. Now the step is 2x plus 5 plus 2x minus 5 into 2x plus 5 minus 2x minus 5. Now we'll open the bracket. Here 2x plus 5 we will write, plus we will put, then 2x minus 5 will come here because this plus and this minus we multiply and we get minus only. Now here 2x plus 5 minus 2x we will write, and here minus we multiply and we get here plus, and this 5 we write. Now we solve this step. Here plus 5 and minus 5, 0. Here plus 2x and minus 2x, 0. And here 2x and 2x we add, we get 4x. And here 5 and this 5 we add, here we get 10. Then 4x into 10. We get here 40x. Now see the third part of the question number 4. 7m minus 8n whole square plus 7m plus 8n whole square. Here students, you cannot use the identity a square minus b square because here we can see plus sign. So we cannot use a square minus b square. So here we will use two identity. For 7m minus 8n whole square, we will use a minus b whole square, and for 7m plus 8n whole square, we will use a plus b whole square. Now we will use these both identities for the given question. Here first we will use a minus b whole square for 7 minus 8n whole square. Here what is a? A is 7m. What is b? B is 8n. So here a square means what? We will write here 7m whole square. Okay. Minus 2ab. For here 2 into what is a? A is 7m. 7m we will write. What is b? B is 8n. 8n we will write. Plus here for b square we will write here 8n whole square. Okay. Now we have written 7m minus 8n whole square in the form of the identity a minus b whole square is equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now we will put this plus sign, and for this 7 plus 8n whole square we will use here a plus b whole square. Okay, so here what is a? Here a is 7m, and what is b? b is 8n. Now we will use this identity. Here first we will write a square. For a square we will write here 7m whole square. Students, always keep this thing in your mind. If such type of situation comes, you will write the term in a bracket. Okay. So 7m whole square, clear, plus 2ab. For this plus 2ab, 2 you have written. What is a? A is 7m. What is b? b is 8n. Then plus sign you will put, and what is b? b is 8n. So here you will write 8n whole square. Now we will simplify this step. For 7m whole square, you know what you will do here? 7 square m square, and for 7 square you will write 49 and this m square. Now this minus sign we will write 2 7 ja 14 and 14 8 ja 112, and m into n is what? mn you will write. After this plus 8n square we will take. For 8n square, 8n whole square, 8 square n square. For this we will write 64n square. Clear? Now plus we will write 7m whole square. For 7m whole square you will write 49m square, because 7 square m square what? 49m square. Now this plus sign, here again 2 7 ja 14 and 14 8 ja 112 mn. Clear? Now 8n whole square. For 8n whole square we will write 64n square. Now we will write all the like terms together. Clear? We will collect them. Here 49m square. After this 49m square, which term we can write? This 49m square we can write. Clear? Now 64n square we will write. Clear? 64n square. And after 64n square, we will write this 64n square also. Clear? These both are like and these both are like. After this, we will write this minus 112 mn. Clear? And after this minus 112 mn, we will write this plus 112 mn. Clear? Now we will add the like terms. Here 49m square plus 49m square. What will come? 98m square. Here 64n square plus 64n square. We will add. We will get here 128n square. And here minus 12mn plus minus 112mn plus 112mn. What will come? 0. So the answer of this question is 98m square plus 128n square. Now see fifth part of question number 4. Here 2.5p minus 1.5q whole square minus 1.5p minus 2.5q whole square. Here students, you can see that for this we can use a minus b whole square, and for this also we can use a minus b whole square. So 2 times we will use the same identity, and in between them we will put minus sign, and then we will simplify. First you will take this 2.5p minus 1.5q whole square. Here a is 2.5 and b is 1.5q. So here a square, for this we will write 2.5p whole square. In bracket you will write 2.5p. Here minus 2 into what is a? A is 2.5p. Clear? And b is 1.5q. Here you will write. Okay. Now plus 1.5q whole square you will write for b square. Okay. Now we will close the bracket. Okay. Square bracket we will use and we will close it. Now minus sign we will put here. Again we will use the same identity. For a square we will write 1.5p whole square, then minus 2 into a into b. So for this 2 into, in place of a we will write 1.5p, and in place of b we will write 2.5q, and then plus b square, and b is what? B is 2.5q. So here for b square we will write 2.5q whole square. Now 2.5p whole square we will do. You know 25 into 25, what? 625. So here if you multiply 2.5 into 2.5, what will come here? 6.25p square. Okay. Now here we will multiply this. Clear? 2 into 2.5, what will come? 5.0. Clear? 5.0. And 5 if you multiply with this 1.5, what you will get? 7.5. So here you will write 7.5 and this PQ. Clear? Plus, and here 1.5Q whole square. Students, 15 into 15, what? 225. If you multiply 1.5 by 1.5, what will you get? You will get 2.25. And here Q square you will write. Here this thing we will write in bracket. Now we will put this minus sign. Just like this we will open this bracket also. Here 1.5p whole square. For this we will write 2.25p square, just like this. Okay. Now 2 into 1.5 into 2.5 we will do. 2 into 1.5 what? 3. And 3 into 2.5 what? 7.5. And this PQ we will write. Now here for 2.5Q whole square, what we will write? We will write 6.25Q square. Just like this term. Okay. Now we will solve the bracket. Here 6.25p square we will write. Then minus 7.5pq we will write. After this plus 2.25q square we will write. Now outside the bracket you can see minus sign. So very carefully we will multiply the sign. Okay. Then we will remove the bracket. So here 2.25p square you have to write. Now this minus and this minus you will multiply. What will come here? Plus, and this 7.5pq you will write. Okay. Now this minus and this plus you will multiply. Here minus will come. And then you will write this 6.25q square. Now we will solve this step. This step also we will collect the like terms. Here 6.25 p square you will write. After this p square, here you will get here in this term. You can see p square minus 2.25 p square. So after this you will write this minus 2.25 p square. Clear? P square, both are like term. Now we will write this plus 2.25 q square. And here also you can see q square. Both are like. So this minus 6.25 q square you will write here. Now this 7.5 pq left. And here also plus 7.5 pq left. Okay. So both we will write with the correct sign. Here minus 7.5 pq, here plus 7.5 pq. Now here minus 7.5 pq and plus 7.5 pq. You can solve and you will get 0. And when you subtract 2.25 p square from 6.25 p square, what will you get? Here you will get 4p square. Okay. And when you subtract 6.25 q square from 2.25 q square, then what will you get? You will get here minus 4q square. Now see sixth part of question number 4. AB plus BC whole square minus 2AB square C. For this question also you will think that which identity we can use here. Here we will see this AB plus BC whole square. So here we will decide that we can use A plus B whole square because it is in this form. Okay. So here we will use this identity A plus B whole square is equals to A square plus 2AB plus B square. Okay. Now after this we will think what is A and what is B. Here A is AB and B is BC. So for A we will write AB and for B we will write BC. So we will put value of A and B on right hand side of the identity which we are going to use. Here for A, here we will write this AB and the square we will put after making the bracket. Now plus sign 2 we will write, multiply sign, what is A? AB will write, what is B? BC we will write here, plus for this B we will write BC. Okay, this BC. And on BC we will put a square. Okay, BC whole square. At last we will write this minus 2AB square C. Okay, now we will simplify this. Here for AB whole square we will write A square B square. Okay, the square will come on both. Plus 2 into AB into BC. So 2 here we will write A and B into B, B square and this C we will write. Now plus sign and for BC whole square we will write B square C square. Then minus 2AB square C. 2AB square C we will write. Now A square B square we will write and then this B square C square we will write. Now this plus 2A B square C and after this plus 2A B square C, this minus 2A B square C we will write, and we can see that both are like terms. because their literal parts are same. AB square C, AB square C. They both are like. So here we can solve. So for this plus 2AB square C and minus 2AB square C, we'll get 0. And here what will left? Here A square B square plus B square C square will come as result. Now see the seventh part of question number 4. Here question is m square minus m square m whole square plus 2m cube n square. Here also we have to think that which identity we can use to solve this question. So here it is like a minus b whole square. So it means we can use here a minus b whole square. So we will use this identity. A minus b whole square is equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay. Now we have to think that what is a in this question and what is b. So what is a? A is n square. And what is b? B is n square m. Now we will put the value of a and b on the right hand side of the identity which we are going to use. Okay. So for this a we will write m square and then this square we will put. Now minus 2 we will write. In place of a we will write m square. For b we will write n square m. After that plus this b square. For this b square we will write n square m whole square. Okay. Now for b you have written here n square m and after this you will put this square. So it will be n square m whole square. Now at last you will write this 2m cube n square. Clear? Now we will simplify this step. M square whole square. So here what will come? M to the power 4. This thing you have studied in exponents and powers. You have studied one law, a to the power m whole to the power n is equals to a to the power m into n. Okay. That thing you have to use here and here you will get m to the power 4. Now minus sign. This 2 we will write and here m square and m. If you multiply you will get here m cube and then this n square we will write. After this plus sign we will do the square of n square m. So here we will get n square and n square whole square what? N to the power 4 and then we will write this 2m cube n square after this plus sign. Now this minus 2m cube n square and this plus 2m cube n square both are like. So you will get here 0 after subtraction. Now here remaining terms are m to the power 4 plus m square n to the power 4. So after simplifying the given expression you will get m to the power 4 plus m square n to the power 4. Now students, today only this much. In the next video I will continue the explanation of exercise 9.5 from question number 5. You solve all the parts till question number 4 in the proper sequence in your notebook. Thank you.